Okay, kids, let's do a nice quick video on factoring. Let's say I gave you this: x squared minus 3x minus 10. Now, hopefully you're good enough with multiplying that you realize, hey, wait a minute, see that x squared? That x squared has got to be x times x. And this 10 right here, normally 10 is 2 times 5. Well, follow the purple. I need to get minus 3x somehow. Okay, couldn't I do minus 5 plus 2? Because again, after all, if I had negative 5 and I added 2, wouldn't that be negative 3? Yeah, it will be. So this right here is the factored form of the original problem. Now let's do a tougher factoring. We really didn't get into these too much, at least in IM1, but we will start doing it as of today. So let's say I gave you this: 14x squared plus 60x minus 50. Okay, well, obviously it's a little bit harder, but see that 14x squared? There's one real good way to do that, isn't it? How about 2x times 7x? Do you agree that 2x times 7x is 14x squared? It sure is. Now what about that 50? Well, 50, isn't that normally 10 times 5? Well, let's see what happens here. Notice the 10 times 7 is 70, and the 5 times 2 is 10. Can I take 70x and 10x and get 60x? Yeah. If I had 70 and I minus 10, wouldn't that be 60? So all I needed to do, therefore, is to make sure that the 70 is positive and the 10 is negative. So does everybody agree, follow the light blue, that if I took 10 here times 7, I would get positive 70. And if I took negative 5 times 2, wouldn't I get negative 10? And over here, a 70 minus 10 is, of course, 60. So this, right in here, is again the factored form of the original problem.